It was a quiet Christmas Eve. Soft, fluffy snow fell from the sky, blanketing the world in a pristine layer of white. From the windows of cozy little houses, warm yellow lights cast a gentle glow onto the snowy paths. A little orange cat with fur the color of a winter sunset padded slowly through the village. Its tiny paws left a trail of delicate prints in the fresh snow. The air was cold, but it felt kind, filled with the quiet magic of the holiday. The cat paused near a small house. Through the window, it could see a family gathered together, their faces bright with laughter. A Christmas tree stood in the corner, sparkling with colorful lights that danced and twinkled. The sight brought a small, knowing smile to the cat's face before it continued its journey through the peaceful streets. Soon the cat reached the village square. In the center stood a magnificent Christmas tree, tall and proud. It was decorated with shiny stars and silver bells that chimed softly in the breeze. But as the cat looked closer, it noticed something was wrong. One small light near the bottom was out, leaving a dark, empty patch on the otherwise brilliant tree. A little girl stood nearby, her shoulders slumped. She clutched a bright red scarf in her small hands, her face etched with sadness. "My Christmas light is gone," she whispered to herself, her voice barely audible over the gentle snowfall. The cat, with its keen hearing, listened quietly from a distance, its ears twitching. Driven by curiosity, the cat began to circle the grand tree. The snow was deep here, covering everything in a thick, white blanket. As it nosed around, its whiskers brushed against something hard and shiny, hidden just beneath the surface. The cat gently poured away the snow, revealing the missing Christmas light. The wire was cold against its paw, but it wasn't broken. Carefully, the cat picked up the light in its mouth and carried it over to the little girl. Her eyes widened in surprise and then lit up with joy. "You found it," she exclaimed, her voice filled with happiness. She took the light and quickly reattached it to the tree. In an instant, the dark spot vanished, and the entire tree began to glow once more. A soft, golden light spread across the square, illuminating the faces of the people who had stopped to watch. They all smiled, their hearts warmed by the sight. In the distance, a single bell rang out, followed by the gentle, melodic singing of church bells, announcing the arrival of Christmas. The little cat sat down contentedly, watching the snow fall around the now perfect tree. The little girl knelt down beside it and gently wrapped her red scarf around the cat's neck. "This is for you," she said softly, her voice full of gratitude. The soft wool felt incredibly warm against the cat's fur. A quiet whisper seemed to travel on the wind, weaving through the village streets. Christmas is about sharing small kindness, feeling warm and content. The cat started its slow walk home. Snowflakes danced and swirled around it, and the red scarf billowed gently in the winter breeze. High above in the night sky, one star shone brighter than all the rest, like a beacon of hope and peace. The cat looked up, closed its eyes, and felt a deep sense of happiness wash over it. And that's the story of the Christmas light and the little cat. It reminds us that even the smallest act of kindness can make the world a much brighter place. Before we go, let's learn a few new words from our story. Christmas Eve is the night before Christmas Day. Sparkled means to shine brightly. A village is a small town. To be decorated is to be made beautiful with things. Broken means not working. Glowed means it gave off a soft light. Kindness is the quality of being caring and helpful, and peaceful means calm and quiet. The moral of our story is simple, but so important. Small kindness makes Christmas bright. A little help, a small gift, a kind word, these are the things that truly matter. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you a very Merry Christmas and a peaceful holiday season. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.